Hello friends, this is Ajay Singh Josan and I'm going to represent my friend Ahmed Fayiz in this presentation, and we are going to talk on the topic additive manufacturing, that is rapid prototyping. So what basically the rapid prototyping is? It's basically an application that is used to create a model faster than usual. So starting on with the evolution of 3D printing. In 1970s, the 3D printing came into extension into the market through journal A New Scientist. Later on in 1984, first 3D printing model through stereolithographic technology was done by published by Hideo Kodama. Later on, 1990s, the term 3D printing originally referred to as a powder bed a process employing standard and customer inkjet print heads, developed by MIT by Emmanuel Seg in 1993. The year 1993 also saw the start of a company called SolidScape, introducing a high-precision polymer jet fabrication system with soluble support structures as well. So in 2000s, the technology called FDM, fused deposition modeling printing process, painted expired in 2009. But that's a technology that being used these days. And in 2010, the technology matured, and several authors have begun to speculate that 3D printing is going to be a sustainable development in the developing world. Uh, and we also did a primary research on our topic, that how it's gonna change the market, and we tried to put the question in front of people, like how likely is that the 3D printing technology is currently being applied in manufacturing industries, and above 50% respondents agree with our question. But on the other side, when we put that the 3D printing still needs a improvement in that, and still 47% of people agree that it still needs a like a improvement, because it's a slow processing time, and plus the quality is not that good as well. But so coming on to next, 3D printing processes. There are many different branded 3D printing methods that can be divided into seven categories: material jetting, wet photopolymerization, binder jetting, powder bed fusion, material extrusion, direct energy deposition, and sheet lamination. These are the seven processes that are used in 3D printing. Applications of 3D prototyping, rapid prototyping. Additive manufacturing has been widely used in medical industries, aerospace industries, automotive, food, and social culture as well. Especially in medical industries, surgicals uses 3D printing centric therapies um, in their treatments. And virtual planning of surgery and guidance using 3D printer. Personalized instruments have been applied to many areas of surgery, including total joint replacement and muscular reconstruction with a great success. In aerospace applications, in 2007, GE Aviation revealed that it had used a design of additive manufacturing to create a helicopter engine with 16 parts instead of 900 parts, with great potential impact on reducing the complexity of supply chain. That's how 3D printing is bringing a change in aerospace industry. Coming on to automotive applications, in early 2014, Swedish supercar manufacturer Koenigsegg announced a supercar that utilizes many components that were 3D printed. Urbi is the name of the first car in the world car mounted using a 3D technology printing. As and also 3D printing is being used in food applications as well. NASA is working on the technology to create a 3D printing food to limit the waste, and to make food that are designed to fit an astronaut's dietary needs. And that's how 3D printing is being utilized in food industries as well. And coming on to social culture applications, in last several years, 3D printing has been intensely used in cultural heritage fields for preservations. And Coming on to advantages of 3D printing, reducing tooling cost. The most important advantage of 3D printing is that it's reducing the cost of tools, lowering the cost, allowing smaller low volume manufacturer to enter into the market as well. And easily text complex components geometries means like from a spectrum manufacturing to additive manufacturing. It's making components less complex as well, and better component quality. But still there is a doubt on this as well, but still they are improving a lot. Less waste production. The most important advantage of 3D printing is that it's not producing a lot of waste compared to subtractive manufacturing. On the other hand, so there are disadvantages as well. The disadvantage is high production cost, slow processing time that we discussed earlier as well. Limitations on material selection. We don't have a wide variety of material that we can use on 3D printing, but is industry is working on bringing in the material like steel, aluminum on 3D printing as well. And soon we are going to try something on carbon fiber as well. So industry is growing. That's what I mean. Prototyping is a near future. Engineers and scientists are working together around the clock to create more efficient 3D printing manufacturing methods. The likelihood of occurrence of 3D printing problems over the other conventional method is relatively high. Conclusion. Coming at the end, despite all the disadvantages, 3D printing have a significant advantage that outweighs all other drawbacks. According to White 2015, polymers are critical for AM because they represent the greater market penetration and the user accessibilities. Therefore, it is highly likely to be used in various applications in near future. Thank you. That's what we're gonna talk how we're gonna present the data manufacturing. Thank you very much on behalf of my group.